right back down. Turn it off. There's water in it. Let's try it again. Sucks it up. And it comes right back out. 3 months old. Happy birthday to me.
So this little ice machine, I've been dying to get one forever, and this one, I cannot ever live without it. This little machine makes these tiny, tiny little nuggets that are so bite-sized, I can't see, that are just amazing. I love them in my coffee, and this thing automatically shuts off when the top gets full, like right here, it'll stop, and then the ice melts. I'm going to turn it off. The ice will melt, and it drops back down into this little spot where you put the water. I can't see it because I'm the camera, but there's the water in the line, and it like when the ice melts, it just goes back, and it just keeps recycling until there's no more water left. I have a teenager who uses a lot of ice, but this thing is utterly amazing. We absolutely love this, and I could not ever live without it. I hope you all buy one. It's so worth it.
This is the Nugget ice machine. It makes ice really fast. It stays cold. You can see the ice is coming out from there. Use a little spoon to move it around. You do have to shovel it a little bit so it keeps going down. There's a fan on the side to show a lot of air, warm air. And that's the back.
This is my normal talking voice, so you can just hear kind of comparatively. You can still hear it. I'm going to walk in here. My TV is on, but you can still hear it.
I know I'm not the only one, but I kept buying drinks with money I didn't have because I was excited about the ice and it tasting better, apparently. I ended up buying this bad boy for my house at my coffee bar, and it's been great. It's super nice because you can see your ice in the front here, or you can open it from the lid at the top. You can even watch the ice come out of it. And another bonus is they give you this really cute little scoop that works great.
So this is the ice machine I just received, and after I add the water at the bottom, it's starting to make ice in 2 minutes. This is surprisingly fast, very efficient.
We got the ice maker and look at it. Look at this perfect little ice that you can eat. And it just keeps coming out and making. It is so awesome.
No ice. Four hours later.
So as you can see, we've completely stopped ice production because the ice machine is backed up. So you have to come in and scoop it out of the way, and then it'll start making ice again, which is annoying the entire day.
Bye.